Chase Inc. Business Preferred app. The pros, the cons. The Chase Inc. Business Preferred card is a favorite among entrepreneurs, and for good reason. It's one of the most powerful small business cards available today. Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. You'll earn 3 points per dollar on the first €0 spent each year on travel, shipping, advertising, and internet, cable, or phone services, all major business expenses. Everything else earns 1 point per dollar. Those points are part of Chase's Ultimate Rewards program, which can be transferred to airline and hotel partners or redeemed for 25% more value through the Chase Travel portal. That means 100 0 points can easily be worth 250 or more. You'll also enjoy robust protections like cell phone insurance when you pay your bill with the card, trip cancellation coverage, and purchase protection. Now for the cons. The annual fee is waived, and while the reward structure is strong, there is no 0% intro upper. It's also not ideal for businesses that don't spend much in the bonus categories. So, what's the verdict? The Chase Inc. Business Preferred is best for business owners who travel frequently or spend heavily in digital categories. The surprising truth: when combined with personal Chase cards, this card unlocks elite-level travel potential without the premium price tag.